Hi guys, so today's video I'll be doing a bun using our products DURBAN DREAD. So the first thing that I'll need water, eco styling gel, elastic bands, a brush, a small comb, and I will need a doek. This beautiful product that I'll be using, it's DURBAN DREAD from Prima Afro. It will blend in so perfectly with my hair because it looks so natural. I'll start by spraying my hair with water. I'll massage it a little bit. I will take my styling gel and apply it on my hair. Make sure that you apply your styling gel everywhere. Okay, now I think I'll take my brush and brush my hair a little bit. Okay, let me just use my comb first, then I'll brush. So now I'll need my elastic band to tie my hair up. Okay, I'll take my doek and put it on, and I will dry my hair using a hair dryer. After that, I will take my DURBAN DREAD and put it straight on my pony. You need to make sure that you tie it right so it won't come out. I'm done with my bun now. Will put my mental caps just to make my hair more beautiful. Okay guys, I'm done. This is my bun. Thanks for watching the video guys. Bye.